guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called PowrSuite 2.0, which is a 3-in-1 product that includes all the tools you need to take care of lead generation, list building, copywriting, website, landing pages, bonus pages, social media graphics, banners and ads, company logo, etc. in one single dashboard. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 4 free fast action taken bonuses from my side for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below, guys. So now let's get started.
Hi, this is Lou Hornberger, and in this demo I would like to introduce you to PowrSuite 2.0. PowrSuite 2.0 is a powerhouse collection of 13 high-quality tools to help you build your online business, and with the included commercial license, you can sell business creation services at any price you want. In this demo, I'll show you what you can do with each of the 13 tools to grow your online business. We'll start with the brand new tools added in PowrSuite 2.0. First off, we've added DFY AI Writer, a flexible, powerful AI copy creation tool that can quickly create quality copy for any situation. Anything from ad copy to a mission statement to entire frameworks, DFY AI Writer has you covered. We've also added 2 tools that will easily generate quality leads for you over and over again using 2 different methods. DFY Scraper allows you to add a list of business domains and grab all the leads from those websites to reach out to with your offer. While DFY Map Leads lets you focus on gathering local leads in any niche with the power of Google Maps built right in. Now, anyone doing any sort of sales knows the importance of tracking your affiliate links. So we've added the helpful link tracker tool to this version. No need to wonder what platform is performing best. Just check Link Tracker. Next, we have tools for the first place your clients may actually visit, your website. We have 4 highly focused apps to help you create specific types of pages that have proven time and again to drive profits right into your checking accounts. These are chock full of templates to get you up and running and earning today. Create clear, high-converting opt-in and offer pages to land clients quickly. You can generate some excitement for clients with our scratch-off page tool. Reveal a special discount or deal to increase revenue. And once you've closed the sale, you can send them to collect their bonuses on a high-quality page made from our DFY bonus page tool. And if none of those page crafting tools fits your design need, our simple page builder can be used for any other type of page your profit site may need. Of course, no business would be able to sell anything without traffic, so we've included tools that will drive traffic to your business and your offers. We know that social media drives traffic like nothing else, so we have given you all the templates you need for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the top 3 social sites for getting targeted traffic organically. Create impressive covers, posts, and of course, stories. Everyone loves stories. And it's clear that stories are simply dominating on social now. Now you too can dominate. Video of all sorts continues to grow and bring in big profits online. YouTube viewers are getting more and more picky about what they want to watch next. One study found that YouTube browsers are 80% more likely to click on your video if you have a great thumbnail. And that great thumbnail will increase both watch time and traffic. Great thumbnails get attention and send more profitable traffic to you. So we've included a great thumbnail tool. You are welcome. With these powerful tools, it will be very simple for you to stop the scroll and keep the attention on your business. Speaking of your business, at some point as you grow, you're going to want to try out some paid traffic. We have just the tool for you. Our professionally designed ad templates found in our DFY Simple Ads tool will make your offers and products stand out to your target audience. There is one final tool to round out this baker's dozen of PowrSuite 2.0. If you need to create a logo for your company or a client, you can do that easily with our DFY logo tool. Every tool includes plenty of templates to create professional, creative, targeted content every time. Do you see all the profitable possibilities that we have baked into PowrSuite 2.0? This will be the last marketing tool you will ever need. Use it to grow your business and then sell marketing services to your clients. Every tool will not just add to your bottom line, but help to multiply your profits every week. If you tried to put together this tool set on your own, you would be paying hundreds each month. But you can get all of PowrSuite 2.0 for a low, one-time introductory price during this launch. I'll see you on the inside.